This time of year, Minnesota weather can be a bit of a roller coaster, to say the least. Earlier this week, we hit the 80s. Many probably turned on their air conditioner. Today, we are joined by Josh Savage with Hero Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Good morning, Josh. Good to see you. Let's start off with what should people know about doing sooner than later to get ready for air conditioning season?
Yeah, well, good morning. This time of year, the snow is gone, the rain has come, and people are starting to work in their yards. And it's a great time of year to look at your outdoor air conditioning system as long as you're out there. Making sure that your landscaping is cleared away, trimmed, and then take your garden hose and just wash down the unit from the top down and try and get as much of the debris away as possible. Now, every 2 to 3 years, you should do a deep clean with chemicals. And typically a contractor does that because there's a little bit of disassembly required on that end.
Good to know. Is there anything, Josh, while you're out there checking out the unit that you should look for in particular, perhaps signs that you might need a new air conditioner?
Yeah. So if last hot out, if your system is maybe if it's over that 10 to 15 year mark, it's getting a little bit older, right? If you've had repairs that have been starting to add up in past years. And the big thing is if you have an older refrigerant inside your system, it's an ozone depleting refrigerant that's no longer available. And that would make the repairs very expensive. And so if those repairs start to get more expensive than the overall value that the unit still has left in it, that's when it makes sense to really seriously consider looking at a newer, more efficient system.
What else should people consider when they're looking at their central air unit? Some things that they should know just to kind of keep it working properly.
Yeah, so some of the big things is that a lot of people forget that their furnace has a filter in it. And that just because their furnace isn't heating the house during the air conditioning season, it is still circulating air through the system through a filter. And so making sure it's a great time of year just to pull the furnace filter out, take it down to the hardware store, match it up, get a 10-pack, and put a new one in, because all the air from your entire house is filtered through here. And so it keeps it clean for your family, right, to breathe, but it also keeps it clean for your mechanical system inside your furnace. And if this gets really blocked up, what's going to happen is you're not going to circulate enough air through the system, and the air conditioning system can start to freeze up and not perform, and then you won't have any air conditioning on that end. And so it's an easy way to prevent a repair call. It's just putting in a new furnace filter.
Have you been busier, Josh, with repair calls, whether it's people using their units a little bit more because they're inside a lot more these days with COVID, or wanting to just kind of make those upgrades since they are spending so much time indoors?
Yeah, well, the heating seasons or the air conditioning seasons coming a little bit earlier this year, right? As far as things are starting to warm up, people have already used their air conditioning unit, have already started to get repair calls. But what we've noticed since COVID is that people's homes are their castles. It's a place that they feel safe, and it's really important to them. It's even more important today than it was a couple of years ago to feel comfortable and safe inside their own home, and making sure their system is both reliable and heating or cooling their home in a way that makes them comfortable is more important than ever before.
Good to know. Josh, thank you so much. That's really helpful information.